Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video guys, I will tour you around our newly renovated bathroom. That's what we've been doing during this lockdown. And anyway, I can't go out and do shopping vlogs because all the shops are closed. So I decided guys to share with you our newly renovated bathroom, and I'll show you the old pictures before the renovation and the newly renovated bathroom. So without further ado, let's get started. Here you go guys, this is before the renovation. This is the old one, old tiles. This is the shower, so we're going to change everything. We'll remove all the fittings, the tiles. I don't know how old this bathroom is. And this is the picture, work in progress. And this is me guys, this is what I've been doing during stay home. Here it is guys, our newly renovated bathroom. By the way, have you remember, if you've seen my video, Hobby Lobby, we got this painting from Hobby Lobby before they closed down. It really works in this wall. And here is our newly renovated bathroom. His and her sink. This is our mirror. And the lights, I love it. And the design of this mirror is really nice. Call it distress. There's distress effect. It's not yet 100% finished. We still have few works to do in here. And we still have to put something there to cover this things up. So we still have few jobs to do, little jobs to do. And by the way, this unit, we got it from Home Depot. It comes whole set with sink and also the cabinet. And this is before the shower, and this is now. And yeah, here it is, our newly renovated shower. We took the old tiles and old fittings and we put new one. And I really love this shower now. You can just press these things down. This one, just press this one, and the water will shoot up from there. And then this one for the overhead shower. Yeah, I'm happy for the result, and I still have to finish the niche. Still not yet finished there. And then I still need to scrub the floor. There's still white bit things in there. So here you go guys. Here's our newly renovated bathroom. This is what we've been doing during quarantine. The bathroom was from here to there, and then we extended. This is part here is the extension. This part here, we make it bigger because it was small. And what I like in this toilet, it has that skylight there. Skylight. So even during daytime, you really don't need to turn on the light. So yeah, this is our hamper. And that's it for now, guys. And if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye for now. Bye, guys.